In this video, I'll show you how to find and install extensions in Google Chrome. Chrome extensions are small tools that add new features to your browser. They can help you improve your writing, manage passwords, block distractions, customize websites, and much more. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Go to the upper right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu icon. From the menu, move your cursor over Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. The Chrome Web Store will open in a new tab. This is where you can search for and download extensions for Google Chrome. Use the search bar to look for a particular extension or browse the available categories and recommendations. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for Grammarly. Grammarly is a writing assistant that can help identify spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, and tone issues while you type online. Enter Grammarly in the search bar, then select the official extension from the results. Before installing any extension, take a moment to review its developer, description, ratings, reviews, and requested permissions. Only install tools from sources you recognize and trust. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear and display the permissions required by the extension. Review the information, then click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will now download and install Grammarly. This should only take a few seconds. Once the installation is complete, click the puzzle piece icon in the upper right corner to open the extensions menu. You should now see Grammarly in the list. To keep it visible on the Chrome toolbar, click the pin icon beside its name. You can then select the Grammarly icon to open it. Depending on the extension, you may need to create an account, sign in, or complete a short setup process before using all its features. Once Grammarly is active, it can provide writing suggestions while you type in supported websites, including email services, social media platforms, and online text editors. To manage, disable, or remove an extension later, click the three-dot menu, select Extensions, and then choose Manage Extensions, and that's how you download and install extensions in Google Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward browser guides and tech solutions.